Let's be honest, we all know that 99% of habit trackers suck or don't really give you valuable data for you to improve. I've pretty much tried every other habit tracking app there, and I actually was so disappointed by them that I actually built my own. And this is Pattrn, and I'm going to tell a little bit more about what problem does it solve and the features that it has and how you can start using today to improve your life. So yeah, the first thing is staying consistent and tracking progress is a huge problem. Most people have spikes of motivation, but they can't actually commit for a long time. They can't be disciplined and stay for long enough. And there really ain't a single app that really helps people do that consistently and in a fun and engaging way. Second part is that setting goals is often too difficult. People really put their goals far away and don't really put into perspective that they gotta do daily actions to make it work. And often they also set unrealistic goals they can't really chase, and this leads to lack of motivation and giving them a loop that they can't actually fulfill ever. And yeah, the third problem and most important is that most solutions suck. Let's walk a little bit through the other solutions that we got. We got, for example, Strides, that's another app, but it's too complicated and their features simply aren't the best fit for what we're trying to do. We also got this type of apps like habit tracking apps, but they are full of features that are not ideal for this purpose, and they actually look like they're just tailored for girls. They don't really look that good. And yeah, you can also try setting goals in Apple Notes or Notion, but they aren't really made for that and aren't optimized. You can't really build complex systems, and simplicity is also hard to maintain there, and really it's confusing. So that's why I'm building Pattrn, the next generation of self-improvement apps. I'm going to tell a little bit more about what are the features that I'm developing and why I believe this is actually the next generation of self-improvement apps. So yeah, the first one is goal tracking. You can track your goals in Pattrn today. You can set short, medium, and long-term goals that you can fulfill. So for example, if you have a weight loss goal, you can also break into tiny milestones, such as reach 78 kilograms by April. So you reduce your goals to smaller steps. You can also see if you're on track or off track, and you can correct if you're doing something wrong. And finally, you can use the help of AI to help you set better goals that are actually realistic for your use case. The second thing is that you can link the goals to habits. Usually apps do this separately. Goals and habits, habits and goals. We want to do this together because they're all a system to improve your life. So for example, I have here the goal of creating content for my app Pattrn. And this is linked to my habits of creating Pattrn content daily. And this starts to correlate and create a much better system. So you can see, for example, the linked habits accuracy, which gives you insights on if your goal is not going right, what can I do and what is it failing? Maybe my habits are not going right. And this starts to develop your system that actually ties to the last step, learn your patterns, the name of the app. The app gives you actual feedback on what you can improve. So for example, it has suggestions so what you can improve. So for example, adjust the time logging and you simply click and the AI does change your habit for you. You can also see the most accurate and least accurate days to see why you might be failing. Also, you got the focus score, which assesses you from 0 to 100 on how focused you are and what you can improve. And this rewards consistency, not 100% perfection. And yeah, you also can see the habit accuracy daily charts and how you're going. And this chart, this heat map is also very good. So yeah, the app is available today, and this is why it is so important. So yeah, the app is available today, and you can try it for free at pattrn.click. It's available for iOS for now, and I really believe this is an amazing project that I'm going to continue to work towards this year and doing the marketing for now. Current apps are not really optimized for really improving your life and really helping you discover what's going right and what's going wrong. And this is the main problem Pattrn solves. If you want to try it out, you can download today for free. And yeah, hope you enjoyed Pattrn and continuing to build and grow it for the next few weeks and months. If you want to follow through, also subscribe to the channel. That's it.